In this series of videos, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a virtual reality space in order to create your learning from exhibition. So I've signed into Cospaces and I've gone over to Gallery and I've scrolled down until I've found a space that says template on it. And then click on here and copy it over to my spaces, and it will then appear in your spaces. I can then click on it, and now I've copied it over to my spaces, I can edit it. This is what a completed exhibition space would look like. And if I click on here, there's a blank one, which I've already started on. So first of all, you need to choose a color scheme, and I'm going to make sure that everything's uniform. So double click on the object. These are all objects. And if I mouse over here, I could choose a color. I could also choose a color of the floor. And we're now going to add some objects. Over in library here, then I've got a range of different objects in these different categories. The first thing I'm going to be choosing is a bus, because my centerpiece, the object that I'm going to have in the middle of my exhibition, is related to my central idea. I'm very interested in improving the air quality around our school, and one of the major impacts are the buses. So I'm going to put a bus in here. And I'm then going to use these handles at the top to help me translate it up to put it in the center stage. I can now add some other objects around the room. For example, if this were an exhibition space, I may have a table that I could put some learning that I've written on top. And tables, I know, are in more objects. I've had a flick through and I've familiarized myself with the resource. So I'm going to put my table over there, use the arrows to rotate and move up and down. And if I want to pan from side to side, I'm going to hold the space bar and then click and drag. Now I've got that, I would like to include a chair. So let's drag a chair and maybe another chair on the other side. This chair will need turning round. So if I click on it and rotate, I can rotate in 3 dimensions. I'm going to rotate on this plane so the 2 chairs are facing one another. Now I'll click on the 3 objects, and if I double click, I can group them. Now when I move them, they're going to move as a set, and I can place them wherever I like. So we've just copied a space over from the gallery. We've changed the color of the objects around us, and we've added some objects, which we've then grouped. Have a go.